Hello, good day everyone. I am Sarah Alexandri P. Velasco.
I am Rihanna Mesigrancio.
I am Shirley Nicole P. Negru.
My name is Shankin Hello G. Matintin.
I am Kirksen Kylie C. Rojas.
I am Gwen IBJ Bailon.
And we are here to compare and contrast the difference of the two most famous paintings with the famous painters. The Scream by Edvard Munch and Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci.
The Scream is a composition created by Norwegian artist Edvard Munch in 1893. The Norwegian name of the piece is Strik, meaning or Scream. The German title under which it was first exhibited is Der Schrei der Natur, or The Scream of Nature. The agonized face in the painting has become one of the most iconic images in art, seen as symbolizing the painting has become one of the most iconic images in art, symbolizing the anxiety of the human condition. While the Mona Lisa is half-length portrait painting by Italian artist Leonardo da Vinci, the painting's novel qualities include the subject's enigmatic expression, monumentality of the composition, the subtle modeling forms, and the atmospheric illusionism.
Comparison and contrast can unveil the deeper meaning of the painting. Mona Lisa is representation of happiness, a symbol of female power and connection between humanity and nature, while it interpreted as a powerful depiction of existential anxiety and despair conveyed to a distorted, anguished figure against a swirling, shouting landscape with the bold, wavy lines throughout the painting symbolizing the overwhelming, almost deafening scream felt by the central figure and reflecting the artist's inner turmoil. The vibrant blood-red sky further amplifying the scenes of unease and impending doom, while the contrasting straight lines of the bridge and distant figure suggest a sense of normalcy that the central figure is unveiled to access. Both Mona Lisa and the Scream illustrate the power of art conveying complex emotions. Da Vinci's subtlety contrasts with the Munch's dramatic inter- intensity, showcasing the spectrum of human experience. Both artworks, though created in, in different eras, share common themes of emotional depth and mystery. Mona Lisa embodies calmness and enigmatic experience, while the Scream captures raw anxiety and existential dread.
What is the dominant artistic style? The dominant artistic style of Leonardo da Vinci Mona Lisa are Realism, Italian Renaissance, and the use of oil paint characterized by realistic figures, naturalistic representation, and subtle chiaroscuro. The Scream is a expressionism. This style is known for its emphasis on emotion over reality. The Scream is often considered the quintessential expressionist painting, with pictures, exaggerated forms, and emotional intensity that distort reality to convey inner feelings. What colors are used and what emotions or ideas do they evoke? The colors in Leonardo da Vinci Mona Lisa include red, blue, yellow, fresh tones, and earth tones. He uses a muted color palette with subtle gradations to create depth, emphasizing harmony. The painting also includes pigments like red, white, azurite, vermilion, amber, and smalt. while the screen uses a variety of colors including cadmium yellow, Prussian blue, and synthetic ultramarine blue, which employs vibrant jarring color.
Emotion or ideas do they evoke? The scream evokes feelings of anxiety, fear, anguish, despair, and isolation. The painting is a visceral expression of the artist's inner turmoil and a cultural symbol of the human condition. While Mona Lisa is renowned for her enigmatic smile, her expression is considered to be ambiguous with interpretation ranging from happiness to melancholy. Both artworks invite varied interpretation, maintaining their allure and fostering ongoing debate among art enthusiasts and scholars. And both painting powerful illicit emotes. Mona Lisa intrigues with serenity, while the Scream dramatizes existential dread. His emotional dichotomy it strengthens their enduring relevance in art and culture.
How line and shapes used to create form and movement. Leonardo da Vinci used a variety of lines and shapes in Mona Lisa, including continuous lines, hatching and central perspective and curvy lines, and organic shapes to create harmony instead of using straight lines and geometric shapes. While the scream uses a variety of lines and shapes to create movement, instability, and contrast, including swirling lines to create a sense of movement, diagonal lines, wavy lines, straight lines, rigid lines and shapes, elongated hands.
Composition. How are the elements arranged within the artwork? Leonardo da Vinci arranged the elements in Mona Lisa using principles of balance, unity, and perspective. While the scream, the elements are arranged to create a sense of balance, movement, and contrast.
Mood and feeling. What overall mood or feeling does each artwork convey? The overall mood or feeling in the screen is one of intense anxiety, despair, and existential angst, conveying a sense of overwhelming fear and isolation. Often interpreted as a representation of the universal human experience of deep distress and illness. While in Mona Lisa is often described as enigmatic, mysterious, and slightly ambiguous, with a subtle smile that can be interpreted as both happy and melancholic, leaving viewers with a sense of intrigue and co- contemplation about her true emotion. Both paintings powerfully elicit emotions. Mona Lisa intrigues with serenity, while Scream dramatizes existential dread. This emotional dichotomy strengthens their enduring relevance in art and culture.
What do you think the artist is trying to communicate? The Mona Lisa is often interpreted as communicating a sense of enigmatic happiness and or contentment primarily through the subject's subtle smile, which it appears to shift depending on the viewer's perspective, along with a soft, harmonious composition depending on the suggesting a deep inner peace and a connection to nature. The ambiguity of her expression is considered a key element of the painting's enduring fascination while the scream is generally interpreted as a powerful visual representation of raw anxiety, despair, and existential angst, conveying on a universal human experience of intense emotional turmoil and feeling of being overwhelmed by the pressure of life, often described as a primal scream emanating from within the figure and even from nature itself. Both Mona Lisa and the Scream illustrate the power of art conveying complex emotions. Da Vinci's subtlety contrasts with Munch's dramatic intensity, showcasing the spectrum of the human experience. Comparing these two iconic pieces provides the insight of how art reflects the cultural and emotional context of its time. Arts remain pivotal medium for discussing human emotions and experience, engaging with various interpretations of Mona Lisa and the Scream deepen the appreciations of individual perspective art in arts.